My video guide is about removing the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts related to the site globalventnow.com. Globalventnow.com is a junk site taking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. But the truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked and contaminated with a lot of pop-up windows that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly done that, if you have clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, in permissions choose notifications, and pay attention to all these websites allowed to send notifications. You need to remove all these malicious sites from the list one by one carefully. Get rid of all of them. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.